Hello, everybody. Uh, it's a it's a big challenge for me to speak in English, so sorry so much, and my apology. So, just before to speak about Pulse, I want to introduce my organization very quickly. The French epidemiology, like you see, it's about 6,000 people who live with ALS in France, and we have a big problem in France because we don't have a register, so we don't know if this number is right or not. You suppose there is 20% people who live more with ALS. My organization is an old organization, 30 years old, and she has two goals: to assist and improve patients and to support research. It's a big importance to us to have these two goals. And as you can see, we try to use the money 50% for new research and 50% for support patients. Very quickly, what are you doing concrete about to support patients? We help 3,000 patients by loaning specific equipment, by psychological support, by administrative and lawyer support. We help to 50 structures like hospital or house to take care of people. And we distribute some information about professional, and we organize some specific formation for professional about new technology. We have in France 18 ALS centers. We are partner of all of them. We have volunteers in each ALS center, and we organize each 2 months a meeting and discussion between volunteers, take care, and patients. And we make a lot of information together. But the principal activity is research. We have a call for proposal, clinical and fundamentalist research each year, a Young Scientific Research Award, and Young Scientific Research Grant. As you see, the fund to the research is always grow up, and it's about 6 million euros since 30 years. I know it's not a lot if you compare to Netherlands, but it's a big effort for France. With Pulse, what is it, Pulse? Pulse is a study of the predictive factor of evolution of ALS. It's a new program, and we are actor of research. We don't have any doctor in your organization, but you make a partnership with Lille, Hospital Lille. It's a place in north of France, to make this study. Why this study? Because ALS is not a single disease, like you know. It is a spectrum of disease with very different etiological and physiopathologic mechanisms, and we are persuaded you should point a change in the research strategy in ALS. Pulse could establish precise prognostic criteria and identify harmful disease progression mechanisms and predictive factors in order to better select patients for future therapeutic trials. For these projects, we associate with the European projects led by Professor Van den Berg, Sophia Neuromotor, and mine. Why this project is original and innovative? It's original because no one has ever analyzed the full set of clinical, biological, genetic, radiological, histological, and electrophysiological parameters in a large number of ALS patients. Most of our research consists to isolate genetic studies that are not able to address the various prognostic factors on the phenotype. This is a multidisciplinary study with a very large number of patients, 1,000 patients, with prospective harmonized monitoring by all the French ALS centers, and from the initial sign of disease through the death. Pulse could also provide an opportunity to check preclinical scientific hypotheses in patients, and such get a new therapeutic strategy. Pulse, we hope, will help to harmonize, reinforce, and promote the French ALS network and the latter, European and worldwide collaboration. The first objective of PULSE is to define the prognosis factor of the survival. Prognosis factor established as a first visit, multimodal parameter, clinical, biological, all you know, and physiopathological and ethiopathological mechanism. The second objective is to define the prognosis factor of the weight of ALS-FRS, decline, fast versus slow progression, to set the different endophenotype according prognosis factor, and to set the prognosis of the different clinical and genetic endophenotype. Who can include? The inclusion criteria for ALS is very simple, from the first sign, cramp fasciculation, or first deficit at the time of the diagnosis. Men and women, age more than 18, and patient able to give an informed consent. There is a group control. For the group control, the inclusion criteria is man and woman, age more than 18, without degenerative and inflammatory or neoplastic disease, and always patient able to give an informed consent. What is the method? Multicentric prospective cohort of ALS patients from all the French ALS centers, include from the first visit and follow during the whole disease duration. If the patient want to make a therapeutic clinic, it's possible, but he go out of the PULSE, because you can go to PULSE if you make a therapy. Two populations of healthy control and neurological controls will be associated in order to analyze the non-routine biological parameters and biomedical research with biomark. Point very important, all of ALS Center French is collaborate to this project. The number of patients, 1,000 patients. Number of control, 100 healthy and 100 neurological. Inclusion duration, 5 years. Study duration, 10 years. Conservation of the sample, 15 years. And duration of the participation of the patient disease. A duration of participation for the control, 24 hours. Just very quickly, the method, first screening and inclusion. You have the all data in the PowerPoint. The second, follow-up according to the usual care for ALS every 3 months. In French, all patients go to ALS center every 3 months. Every 3 months we have a visit, and you can do all ALFSR clinical examination. We make cognitive assessment every 6 months and muscular testing every 6 months. It's not necessary to do it every 3 months. And if one ALS center wants, it can make optional studies, cognition and behavior, lymphocyte platelet, cutaneous biopsy for fibroblast culture, cerebrospinal fluid and muscular biopsy, and brain analysis at death. And now, this project began in last year. We made a lot of break, administrative break to contract with all ALS center, lawyer break with patients, and the protocol is very heavy for the ALS center, but now everything is okay. We can include patients, and at this today we have 100 patients included, and I hope that next week we can see you 500 patients included. I forget to say something very important. My organization put €1.5 million to make this project with own money. We don't have any support of public ministry. It's a choice because we want to be independent and to make what we want to do. Thank you very much. Any question? Thank you very much.